So in this video, I will talk in detail about thread lift, and I will try to answer all the queries regarding the procedure, and so that by the end of this video, you are well versed with this procedure and are able to take a decision for yourself. Facial rejuvenating treatments are very common nowadays, and many of our clients, they come to us for such treatments. But all these treatments, they have specific indications. So hello friends, I am Dr. Hina Kudyar, consultant cosmetic and plastic surgeon practicing in Delhi. So today I will talk about such procedure, that is thread lift, which is a form of facial rejuvenating treatment, and it also takes care of your sagging skin. What is thread lift? So thread lift is a non-invasive procedure in which threads are inserted beneath the skin, and they take care of the loose and sagging skin, and also they help in repositioning the fat. So now, what are the threads which are used in this procedure? There are different kinds of threads which are used for thread lift. They can be plain threads, which we call the mono threads, or they can be threads which have cones or barbs in them. They are the cogs. Thread lift is done in those patients who do not want a surgical procedure to be done on them, and secondly, who are not candidates for facelift. How is thread lift different from facelift? So thread lift is also known as non-surgical facelift, and it is a non-invasive procedure, and basically thread lift works in those patients who have mild to moderate facial aging. Now thread lift is temporary, and it works only for 9 to 12 months, because the threads, they dissolve after that, and you may require a second session of thread lift after that, as compared to a facelift, which is a permanent solution for facial aging, and is done in cases who have severe facial aging and loose hanging skin. The important things you need to know before you undergo thread lift: first of all, you should know the threads which are being used for thread lift. Secondly, the threads used should be US FDA approved. And third, and the most important, is that the procedure should be done by a specialist who knows the proper technique and the level of insertion, so that the procedure is long lasting and you have a good result. How is the thread lift procedure done? So thread lift is a non-invasive, non-surgical procedure done under local anesthesia without any incisions and scars, and if done properly by an expert, it takes care of the facial aging which occurs due to gravity. So what are the target areas for thread lift? Thread lift can be used for lifting the brows, cheeks, the jowl area and the neck. It can also be used for rejuvenation of the décolleté area. So how does the thread lift work? So the threads which are used in the procedure, they work by two mechanisms. Firstly, the immediate skin lifting is seen with the thread lift, and this is usually achieved by the cog threads which we use, and the second mechanism by which the thread lift works is by neocollagen production. So this is seen both with the mono threads and the cogs which we use for the thread lifting. So this new collagen production which takes place with these threads, it has a very important function in subsequent weeks. Because of this new collagen production, the skin quality improves, and it also helps in making the skin more youthful and increases the tone of the skin. So with the subsequent weeks, the thread lift also improves the quality of the skin and also gives a supple look to the face. This collagen synthesis is seen mostly with the mono threads as compared to the cog threads, which give the immediate lifting as well as the supple look on the face. What to expect after the procedure, and how to take care of yourself after the procedure. Now you can expect some swelling in your face, which usually subsides in 3 to 4 days. And we advise our patients to have a soft diet for 1 week and avoid excessive use of the facial muscles, vigorous massaging for at least 3 weeks. And the optimum result of the thread lift, it is seen in around 3 weeks. We also recommend our patients to avoid alcohol and blood thinners for approximately 72 hours. And the result of this thread lift also depends whether you are a smoker or a non-smoker. Threadlift can also be combined with other facial rejuvenating treatments like fillers, PRP, and resurfacing procedures for a holistic therapy. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any further queries, you can write to us. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates regarding the same and other cosmetic procedures.